in Khatron Ke Khiladi's history, I am the खिलाड़ी who's done most episodes, I think.
Oh.
स्पेन में मैं गया था क्वार्टर फाइनल तक, इंडिया में मैं गया था फाइनल तक, और साउथ अफ्रीका में मैं कहीं तो गया हूँ. 50 एपिसोड तक तो हो गए हैं मेरे शायद खतरों पे. तो आई एम वेरी वेरी, थोड़ा ऐसा वो भी किया है मैंने, रोमांस भी किया है शो में. हाँ थोड़ा तो किया है. मार पड़ेगी मेरे को बॉलीवुड, क्योंकि सिंगल है ना, सिंगल लड़का तो कुछ भी कर सकता है, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा मैंने किया है. आई जस्ट I'll meet you on another season of खतरों के खिलाड़ी, King of Kings. Hi guys, मैं हूँ करण भाई and you're watching me on Midday.
Third time, third attack.
Heart attack.
The water baby is finally out of the water.
Oh God, don't talk about water. You will laugh this time. It's...
So welcoming Karan Vahi, aka पानी के मसीहा.
You know, I actually thought Water Baby will be Aquaman this time. And this was our joke there. Like, you know, twice the team said, Bhai, you're the Water Baby. You come out, you'll be Aquaman.
इतना तो आप बोल के गए थे, मुझे भी बोल के गए थे कि मैं हूँ.
But मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, मैं आपको, मैं मतलब यार, आप मुझे, if you see me in water other than this show, you will be very, you'll be like, how are you like that in the show then? I think it's also to do with when you're under pressure, na?
Right.
Like, I could be good in water, but I'm not sitting underwater for the 20 minutes and holding my breath and like opening locks. And you know, having that pressure that if I don't open this lock, मेरे को fear बंदा मिल जाएगा. I feel, and this time also, like, you know, when I did my water stunts, it was a mix of good and a mix of, I'll not call it bad, but like I was disappointed a few times because I was like I would like go back to my room, like one or two stunts I was like, why couldn't I do it? And then I realized that maybe it's also, we don't consider water temperature, we don't consider weather conditions, because on TV you don't know how cold the water is.
Yeah.
So maybe I could be great in water, but my body is not taking the cold water very well. Like there was a stunt, I froze in water, and like mentally I was like, sir, मैं कर लूँगा. I am not scared.
Yeah.
And Rohit sir was like, but you're not moving. So I realized.
मैं फिर से कर रहा हूँ.
So I realized that maybe I am thinking that I am doing it very well. But I'm actually, my body is not reacting to what my mind is telling my body to do.
My God.
So that's why it was more scary. Like this show this time was more difficult just because of these reasons. Like it was like, there was one day it was 4 degrees, 11 o'clock at night, they put us in water. So the water was, I don't know what temperature the water was, but it was ice cold. Like,
obviously.
Like, so when that stunt will come, you'll only see me shivering. I have got inside and I just couldn't stop shivering. And they're like, do it. I'm like, I am trying to do it. I'm just not stopping. Like, it's just, so I feel this year it was mentally more exhausting, not because of just the stunts, but also the weather conditions. I feel it took a toll.
I think most stunts are new this time.
85%.
Completely new.
85%.
And the body bag thing that we saw in the trailer is
that's
scary.
The first stunt. That's the first. I think that's probably the first episode. I feel first episode. I don't know. पता नहीं. So I saw that stunt, and I don't know if they'll put my like. होता ना कि आप कुछ देखते हो और instantly आपके मुंह से निकलता है. तो मेरे मुंह से instantly निकला था. I was like, no, this is not a stunt. This can't be a stunt, bro. And then they were like, Karan, आप कर रहे हैं ये stunt.
Oh God.
And I was like, and मेरे मन में था मैं इनको बोलूँ, you guys know I'm claustrophobic, right?
Oh yeah, and
so and then
the tear gas.
And then Ritwik goes like, that's why they're giving it to you. I was like, but I will die. He's like, that is why they're giving it to you. And I have never felt like that in my life. I would never want to feel like that in my life. Like what I felt in those, like I was there for a good 8-10 minutes.
My God.
But how, like I don't know how to explain that feeling. Like how do you laminate a human being? that's the
I know. I saw how you guys are like completely sucked up by that
and
bag.
it is like, and it's actually very like it was scary. Like it was just like for the first time there were certain stunts which were anticipation of pain and fear is worse than actually pain and fear. So you know you're gonna get pain, and you know you're gonna like run out of breath. You know you're gonna freeze.
Right.
So before it's happening, you know it
You
is
know
going
it's
to
going to
happen.
happen, yeah.
Is what is more scary, I feel.
On the lighter note,
Yeah.
itna jo hum dar, you
Pause.
kept us on the scared note by now. But
There is
yes.
only fear.
On the lighter note, how much of fun was it behind the scenes?
Minus one.
Kyun?
No fun. No time. No,
Come on, that's what.
But there was fun, यार. It was-
इतने तो आप लोग सब reels बना रहे थे. I'm sure you guys had fun.
नहीं यार, मैं बताऊँ क्या? I think अगर मैं honestly बोलूँ ना, तो खतरों ना this time we didn't get that much time only to actually do what we used to do on other खतरों.
The former seasons.
Like not because of that, not because we were scared or we were like tired or something. We were tired. We were like there were days when we would like just we would travel back and we wouldn't have the energy to do anything. Everyone would just have their dinner and just disperse. Like this is the first time that I was laughing with Ritvik that on the last day of when we were in South Africa was the first time I went to Ritvik's room.
You all didn't see each other apart from
No,
that.
because what used to happen was we had to wake up at 3:34 in the morning because
Gosh.
locations were very far
Yeah.
off. So we would leave really early. So by the time we would come back, like even if we came back around 7-8, that was like an average PM time. And then dinner would be served, and dinner would be like there for like that 1 hour 2 hour period. After dinner ना पहले कुछ दिन तो हमने बड़ी गप्पे मार ली, बाहर बैठ गए थोड़ी देर. But then it would start taking a toll in terms of I've had a great day, you've not.
Oh yes.
You don't want to chill with me, or you don't want to chill with anybody, or if you've had a great day and I've not had a good day. So I'm like, I just want to like go back. Like also you start, what happens is you start off by saying no yaar, everything is chill, but then when that competitive spirit seeps in na, you just want to do well.
कोई दोस्त नहीं होता उस time.
No, you want to just do well. Like
Yeah.
you hope that your friends do well, but you want to like do well. You want to come back home every day. Nobody likes to lose actually. Your reactions could be different, but like you don't like to lose. But there was fun. ऐसा नहीं है कि there wasn't fun, but I think there was more fun on camera. Like this is the first time there was more fun on camera because when we were on camera shooting, we were having fun. And we were also in our elements. As soon as the camera would like go off, we were all put in our own vans because stunt अगर लग रहा है तो you're not allowed
To see it,
to
yeah.
see it. या आप एक लोकेशन पे पहुंचे हो and you're not allowed to get out of your vanity because they don't want you to get out. So we had so everywhere now what they done was, there's a great move that they did. So there were like 5 vanities or 6 vanities. So one vanity, 2 vanities, 2 vanities. So it's a close square.
सबको बंद करके रखा.
और बीच में आपका जो खाना नाश्ता टेंट वेंट लगा हुआ है,
उसके बीच
ठीक
में
है.
है.
अब आप वैनिटी से निकल के वहीं बैठ सकते हो, लेकिन इतनी ठंड है कि आप बाहर बैठोगे नहीं. तो इतनी ठंड में आप बाहर बैठ के करोगे क्या? तो आप सब अपनी अपनी वैन्स में मतलब लिटरली हीटर फुल ब्लास्ट पे करके हीटर के सामने ऐसे बैठे होते थे हम लोग. तो हमको आई थिंक वो जो वक्त, तो फिर जो वक्त हम लोगों ने अपनी अपनी वैन में जो बिताया है ना. सो माई वैन वॉज मी, ऋत्विक, अविनाश एंड विशाल. सो दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट. देन eventually Vishal got injured.
Yeah.
Then it was Ritvik, me and Avinash. So the amount of bonding that we had is the amount of fun we've had. So off camera at least. Nahi to there were days like there was one day off when it was my birthday. So we all went out. We all like had like a great time, and it was like a needed break for everybody. Other than that, on set we were having fun. Like ये पहली बार हुआ है, मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, ऑफ सेट से ज़्यादा ऑन सेट हुआ है ऑफ सेट भी, बट ऑन सेट बहुत बहुत मज़ा हुआ है.
बढ़िया. Did you sustain injuries?
यार इस बार हुई हैं, लेकिन मतलब उतनी नहीं हुई हैं, मतलब हुई हैं बट मतलब tolerable injuries, I think. Like, I think I've developed more fears. It's just very stupid. Like, it's like, like I'm like, why am I doing this? And then they're like, हो जाएगा. And I'm like, हो तो जाएगा, लेकिन
क्यों कर
रहा हूँ मैं ये? So I think I've just developed more, like I've developed it's very funny, like I've developed fear of underwater. Like, it's just, like, not that I can't go underwater, but
now it will play in your mind.
it plays, I just went swimming, it played in my mind. Like in Bombay. Like I went underwater and suddenly I came up. So it's like you are having flashes of Khatro while you're chilling in your normal life, and you're like, I'm like, dude, what am I doing?
Oh boy.
So I think that's what Khatro does to you. It plays on your head.
One last question. Are we seeing the old Karan from the season 1 who was all like chulbula, ready to prank people, or we are seeing a more mature side?
Not really. I think you'll see something else. You'll see.
तीसरा Karan है
You'll
ये.
actually see combination of the two. Like I feel I was way quieter in the first half of the show when I was more focused on the stunts, which I deliberately wanted to. Also my space, I'm in a very different space. It's the second half of the show when I started doing drama. Like, is when I think which I shouldn't have done. Because I think then I lost the agenda. मुद्दे की बात में भूल गया, and then I was doing this मजा. But I think that's also too, I think this year you'll probably see, like, I am a very different person to what I was in Spain. Also in Spain now what happened was, there's Ritvik, me and Ravi. All three were very different. Ritvik was like the bada bhai, Ravi was the bada bhai, and with that energy, Ritvik was the brash person. And I was the flamboyant one कि कहीं भी कुछ भी कर लिया, कि यहाँ चले गए, वहाँ चले गए, किसी से पंगे ले लिए, अरे भाई संभाल लेगा. Now this time na, both Ritvik and I are we've also like grown older. Now our fun is still the same. Like we can still like do that thing with us. But he's still the generator. Like he's still like, he has so much energy still, it's unreal. But क्या हो गया ना कि अब एक टाइम के बाद ना आप सेम जोक को ना सेम तरह से लेते ही नहीं होगा. मतलब अब आप खुद भी जब आप कुछ बोलते हो ना, तो आप वो सेम तरह से बोलते नहीं हो, बिकॉज अब आपके लिए वो शायद फनी नहीं है. सो आई थिंक यू विल सी लाइक थोड़ा ऐसा वो भी किया है मैंने, रोमांस भी किया है शो में. हाँ, थोड़ा तो किया है. मार पड़ेगी मेरे को क्योंकि सिंगल है ना, सिंगल लड़का तो कुछ भी कर सकता है, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा मैंने किया है. आई जस्ट डिड अ लिटिल. आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं. आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं. So, but yeah, I had fun on the show. I did what I could do, and I'm just proud of myself that I sustained another season of Khatro. And I think now officially I am in Khatro Ke Khiladi's history.
Veteran.
No, I am the Khiladi who's done most episodes, I think.
Oh,
I
super
think
proud.
so. मैंने उस दिन काउंट किए. मैंने कहा मैंने कितने किए हैं, क्योंकि मैं स्पेन में मैं गया था क्वार्टर फाइनल तक, इंडिया में मैं गया था फाइनल तक, और साउथ अफ्रीका में मैं कहीं तो गया हूँ, तो मैंने कर लिए. तो कभी कहीं मैंने कर लिए, तो मेरे आई थिंक 50 एपिसोड तक तो हो गए हैं मेरे शायद खतरों पे. तो आई एम वेरी वेरी I'm Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
If Khatro has coaching, he'll be the coach. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.